You may have seen this viral post on social media asking, have you heard of Project 2025? Because they're trying to take away everything. And it's okay if you didn't see it. It's also okay if you haven't read Project 2025 or you really don't even have a clue of what it means. Because I'm going to do my very best to break it down for you and tell you specifically how it's going to impact America's Black and brown communities. Start with the Department of Justice, the one headed by Biden's Attorney General Merrick Garland. DOJ's Civil Rights Division enforces federal laws that protect you from discrimination based on your race, color, national origin, disability status, sex, religion, familial status, or loss of other constitutional rights. When Black Republican Attorney General Daniel Cameron refused to prosecute the killers of Breonna Taylor, Biden's DOJ intervened. Biden's DOJ was involved in justice for George Floyd, Ahmaud Arbery, Michael Jenkins, Eddie Parker, and countless others. These are just a few of the cases that the Biden Department of Justice has supported. Just take a look at some of these. Without this DOJ, these abuses may have gone uninvestigated and unprosecuted. The next Trump Department of Justice enacts Project 2025 and do what he has promised to do on the campaign trail, change the focus of the DOJ to fighting anti-white racism. Black and brown people in this country may never get justice again. Project 2025 would change the focus of the Department of Justice, but it would eliminate the Department of Education. To be fair, this has been mentioned since the Reagan era. I've heard it said countless times, but I really didn't know what it meant. And this is what it means. It means the elimination of Pell Grants and subsidized loans. It's the end of student loan forgiveness and the end of funding for Title I schools. More than 76% of all K-12 Black students in the United States attend a public school. And of the 100% of Black students attending public schools, more than 70% of them attend a Title I school. A Title I school that receives federal funding that supports students who are coming from low-income families. Project 2025 would take those needed funds and give them directly to states to use as those states see fit. They could give that money to religious schools or private schools as vouchers. 21% of all Medicaid recipients are Black. 30% of all Medicaid recipients are Hispanic or Latino. Project 2025 aims to reduce the amount of Medicaid funding in the Affordable Care Act, or what you call Obamacare, and implement work requirements for these programs, for Medicaid programs, while denying the use of this funding to doctors or medical institutions supporting women's right to choose nationwide. For our Black and brown homes like the one that I grew up in, with an amazing, strong, overworked, and overcommitted single mom, well, Project 2025 literally condemns the entire notion that any man will willingly disregard his responsibilities as a father. It's you, the mother, to blame. The document states that the policies and actions of the Department of Health and Human Services should prioritize married father engagement in its messaging, health, and welfare policies. Also, it says that TANF, or welfare money, should be redirected to promote marriage, healthy family formation, and delaying sex to prevent pregnancy. That's the focus of those efforts. And that child support in the United States should strengthen marriage as a norm, restore broken homes, and encourage unmarried couples to recommit to marriage. And while I have no idea the legal path they could take to strengthen marriage, restore broken homes, or encourage unmarried couples to commit to marriage, it really sounds nefarious to me. That said, what can we do to stop this? There's nothing we can do to stop this once Trump is elected for a second term.